So hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. In this video we are going to create the bottom navigation bar as same as the Instagram. So here I have created the app bar of Instagram. So now to create the bottom navigation bar, I will write here bottom navigation bar, bottom app bar, and inside its child I will create a row, and inside that I am going to write I want to arrange 4 to 5 icons, okay, in the bottom navigation bar. So for that I will need expanded, so it can divide the entire space of the bottom navigation bar equally. So after writing the expanded, I will select the child as icon. Inside the icon, I am going to set the first icon as home. After completing this, I am going to run the app. So here you can see that we have the home button. Now I will copy this and paste it 3 more times. So we'll get 4 icons. Like this. Now I am going to rename the home icon as search. Then add, let's see the options. No, not this. Add box outline. Okay, this is perfect. Yes. And now I am going to write here icons.person. So here you can see that we have created 4 icons in the bottom navigation bar. I am going to increase the size of this and keep it as 50. Perfect. But to increase the size of the icons, I will need to change the icon to icon button. So if we keep it as button, then we have to give it an onPressed method and keep the icon like this. Done. Now I am going to copy this and paste it 3 more times. Let's run it. Okay. Now I am going to give this size as 35 to our icons, which is the main reason of using the icon button. And also maybe in the next video we are going to give the onPressed method, so when we press the button, the UI of this app will change. Now I am going to add one more icon. Which is maybe notifications. Okay, let's see the icon. Not this one. Let's give it just notifications. Okay, so here you can see that we have created the bottom navigation bar of Instagram. So yeah, this was it from today's video. See you all in the next one.